is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer A with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back again. We're back with Loski, Flavour featuring Stormzy. Stormzy, make myself. Loski, make myself. But guys, before we start the video, let's do the golden rule. The golden rule is... Alright, now that is done, now that is complete, we're not going to talk too much. We're going to pause every 10 seconds for break down the track. That is what we do over here, we break it down. Big up all the new subscribers and big up all the subscribers and that's been here a long time holding it down. Lighter is here, water. So you know, if the track is fiery, water. So cool it down and the fire to blaze it. Alright, so let's go, man.
Yo, Storms. You gotta go.
I'm gonna say the old school BMW, listen now. The old school BMW in the dog. Classic. Flavor. We got the flavor. The girl them say we sweet like Kool-Aid plus sugar. Flavor. Let's go. Yo, me like that beat ya. Yo, me like that beat ya. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a banger. First time I listen to the track, never listened to it yet. Let's go.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what is your what is your what? Come on, let's go.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? I can't really focus since you popped up on my radar.
I would never sing to the grandmother. Yeah, me kind of confused, which is right to be confused because I know said them two young youth here I sing to the grandmother. Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor, don't do me any favor. Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor, don't do me any favors. That make right? That makes sense, though? Yeah, that's how I get it. Let's go.
All those dirty texts you were sending on my iPhone, I might have to punish you for all that misbehavior.
Ah! Oh, the man, we are send text for the man them iPhone for. The man them go punish you. Oh, the man, where you? No, man. Oh, the man, bad granny, naughty granny.
All those dirty texts you were sending on my iPhone, I might have to punish you for all that misbehavior.
Look how Stormzy look on her. Yo, granny, me ready for you. Nah, man, this have to have a twist to it. This have to twist up. This have to twist. When I say twist, I mean Oliver twist. But this have to twist. What is going on here, Stormzy and Loski? Oh, not sing to the granny. She's old enough to be your great grandmother, brother. What go on?
What's the chances? Niggas get excited when they see the way she dances. Told her don't compare me to these guys, I am the king here. All these little rappers spending all of their advances.
One shot fire this straight away. Lighter. But them still talk to the grandmother like that. Me sure say the grandma I go turn out to be a young lady or something. Me don't know what go on here, so. That part they get have me a bit. Let me go back and focus on the lyrics, man.
Yo, pretty woman, what's your game like? Pull up to your crib and then I fix you like a brake light. I can tell your boyfriend doesn't give you what you asked for.
Jesus Christ, it's one different to man now. Hey, pretty woman, what go on? Where you deal with? Mama pull up on your yard and fix it like a brake light. Mama screw in my bulb in your socket.
Oh my God.
That's how it stands, just say. Not me. The man say me I go fix it like a brake light. You know when you drive and police stop you and say you have one brake light out, Stormzy I go fix it like a brake light. That the man I deal with. Wait, what is going on here?
Can write a little list of things that I should make right shape.
I Storm, she look better without makeup. That's just my opinion. Cute little slim thing, you know.
That video confused me. Man say, yo, Stormzy, she look better with her makeup. Cute little slim thing. Yo, that video confused me. What?
I'm the in thing. Both of us are win-win. Fred or Quentin. Save it for later. Hey, yo. Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor.
It's a nice banger to it, but me not get the concept of the video. Hold on, man. My chest are fry. I need some water, man. I need some water. Me not get the concept of the video yet. Hopefully, I will get it soon. If anybody, well, don't tell me yet, because let me try and work it out for myself first. If me don't know, I'm going to tell me.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
What do I deliver? What are they delivering? What is in the bag? What is in the bag? It's something to do. Is this a weed song? Is this a weed song? Like, is it weed and that is something they must sing about? What is it? I'm confused. .co.uk.com .org .gov.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Ooh, baby, tell me what's the drama. Kisses on your neck, a bit of Louis, bit of Prada.
All right, it's going now. The second verse now. Kisses by your neck, a bit of Louis, bit of Prada. After the perfume, I talk with the girl and strip on them. Yeah, is it?
Late night joking, giving it the ha-ha. Rocking with the GB, I grew up in a Gaza.
Loud. Laga. Go again.
Late night joking, giving it the ha-ha. Rocking with the GB, I grew up in a Gaza.
Man say late night groving, late night movement. You don't know. You see me, better choking, you see me. And then him left front and say, yo, hey, baby. Remember, say me grew up in the Gaza, you know. Gaza, me say, big up Addy. Addy's Vibes Cartel, for those who don't know. Let's go.
Attitude and I love that. I ain't in the games, if you leave, you can't come back. Texting on our iPhones, you say that I like hoes. I be like, slow down, baby, no palaver.
The man don't want a drama. The man don't want a drama. You have some girl who love cause drama enough for no reason, you know. You will see me say hello to a girl out there and you say, yes, you're the girl. Me no want a drama. Calm down. Stop your foolishness. I'm curious to know. I'm still curious to know what them youth have in the bag I deliver to the girl them. What is it that's in the bag that is the flavor? That is what this song is about. Something in the bag. So them a trick the crowd by singing to the old lady at first. Tell me, Sammy alone get tricky so because I know some trickery are going. Them are musical magicians. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's go.
Ooh, baby, tell me what's the drama. Saw her get excited when she found out I'm from Ghana. I can't really figure out her flavor, but she's fruity. Do it like I'm Billy Scott and give her the banana.
Ooh, banana. She likes the banana and me no monkey. She likes banana, but me no monkey. She wants the plantain. Let's go, baby. The boss, I say, yo, remember, say me grew up in a Ghana, you know, so you don't know, say Ghana man, them chang. That's what him I say, not me. You see me? And then him go back and say, yo, show on the, so see that? Look, something in the flavor, something in the container. Me 100%. Me about 80% think of weed, not something like that. Cause all the man never move, brother.
Tell me, little miss, how's your day been? Sorry, I not answering these questions, but he draining. I could be the sweet boy, street boy, punching at your teeth boy, and everybody love me like I'm Raymond.
Bars! Let me go again.
Tell me, little miss, how's your day been? Sorry, I not answering these questions, but he draining. I could be the sweet boy, street boy, punching at your teeth boy, and everybody love me like I'm Raymond.
Man say, yo, listen to me. Me can be the sweet boy. Me can be the person who everybody love. If you want that side, I mean, you can get that side there. You see me? But me can be the youth out on the road that thump out boy teeth every minute, every day of the hour. My bad. But guess what? Even if me do that, people still not gonna believe. People still are gonna love me like Rayman. Who know the show? Everybody loves Rayman. Nice show. Me like that comedy thing there. Man, time used to watch it. Let's go.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
What is in the flavor? It's not ice cream. Don't tell me it's ice cream because it's not ice cream. It's not ice cream. I don't know if I think of weed now because I so much woman love them weed flavor. I don't think of weed neither. You have to tell me how.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Well, I don't know. Me say them get stopped and the police light a flash, is the police going to go up to them and the police them a go walk away? That I wanna tell me say I go up now? Police I go.
Stars, it's like constellation. If I put your name in my songs, you'll be famous. When I'm not around, you just put me onto your playlist. Bankroll, baby, I ball like the Lakers.
Ah, bars, bagger. The man say, baby, listen. Remember say me famous, you know. Remember say me famous. So if me put your name in my song, you are gonna become famous automatically. That I go on. You see me? Man out here so, man I do them thing, man a baller. Man I shoot like the Lakers, LA Lakers, the basketball team. Sure. What? Water. Yeah. Lighter. Yeah. Let's go.
Faded smoking on the flavors. I got haters, fuck it, I get paper. I went to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐍, she a hoe, I can't save her. Keep switching beats, but really the drill savior.
Him got in on this a while ago. Alright, let's go again.
I went to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐍, she a hoe, I can't save her. Keep switching beats, but really the drill savior. Later, can't talk now, baby, later.
Baby, me busy. Me out on the road I try look it figure cook it. Me out here looking it to be cooking it. Me cannot talk to you right now, baby. You don't want nothing, you just want to check up on me. What you want to check up? What is it you want? I'm here, B. Chill.
Funny car got what I asked for. Telling me you love me, do you put me in your prayer? Hey,
And ooh, girl, tell me would you pray for me, stay for me. Had a really, really long day, Billy J for me.
Like Stormzy look at dance, you know? Look up Storms. Me like Stormzy look at dance, you know? Yeah, dog. But me still confused. What the hell is in these jars? What is in these cups? What is in these containers? Me know it's not jollof rice. Me know it's not ackee and saltfish. Me know it's not fried dumpling and festivals. Me know it's not soup. What is it?
I need my lady in my...
Ice cream she just take out? Ice cream she just take out? Ice cream!
Stay for me, had a really, really long day, Billy J for me. I need my...
Ice cream on the flavor? All this time, me I think I weed?
Lady in my blunt, stiff chocolate. I'm still the flavor of the mum shop.
okay, miss, what's your flavor?
Weird, our granny eat ice cream with no teeth.
Lady in my blunt, stiff chocolate. I'm still the flavor of the mum shop.
Okay, miss.
Granny, where granny teeth there? Where's granny teeth? Where's granny teeth? Granny eat ice cream with no... Y'all gotta get brain freeze. So this is what they trick the crowd with? Yeah, I like the concept of the song now. At first it was confusing. Because me think of weed, but me I say, yo, no, granny not smoke no weed. Our grandson with this one are. Let's go.
Miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
So the man them entertain the girl them at night time with ice cream, brother. The man them out here deliver ice cream to the girl them, brother. You know see what I want? The man them hypnotize the girl them with the flavor of the ice cream, G. What is your flavor? You call, you text, you order, you forward, yeah.
Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
Them out here and them really a graft before Christmas. Them a be the delivery man before Christmas. You know, see what I go on? Yo, song nice.
Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors. Okay, miss, what's your flavor? Do me a favor. Do not do me any favors.
You tricked her, Stormzy. Him tricked her. If no say him trick me. Him trick me anyway. Did he trick you? Did this song concept trick you? Did the video concept trick you? Alright then. It tricked me. Officer, you what? Officer, me not give man ice cream. Officer, move away get away from my door. Get away from my window. Officer, take your hand off of my vehicle. Officer, go back in your patrol car. This is not donuts. Officer, go home. Your shift is finished. Officer, don't I see a black man and arrest him. Officer, don't ramp with me juke in your eye. Officer, don't ramp with me thump in your mouth. Officer, don't...
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
Alright, let's go. Look at that. Wanna get breakfast ice cream for man. Them too licky. Them too crazy, man. And look who I eat it too. I feel black when I eat it. The white one I eat no ice cream yet. Why you have to taste it first, Mr. Blackman? Watch him. That's littering. That is littering. Only if you litter the streets of London. And if me do it or somebody else do it, we get charged. That's littering. That's littering. Yo, that's littering. Anyway, boom, the song bad, the song nice, lighter, nice calm song we can chill to in your kitchen or do your thing, you know? When in your bedroom, when in your car drive, what's your flavor? Yo, babe, what your flavor? She said, what do you mean, what flavor? What your flavor? Eh? Not what your favor, what your flavor? That me ask. Yo, it's a nice song, it's a nice concept. Guys, if you enjoy this breakdown, this one had me confused from the start until it get to the finish when the nyami policeman I eat ice cream. Why? Police not eat ice cream. Why? Anyway, guys, if you like the video and want to be a member of the channel, just subscribe, you know? Just subscribe. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Alright, I'm out. Peace.